Oh my god. This light is so bright. Like, this light is bright. Like, if I turn that light off, you guys can't see me. Like, oh my god. I don't know. I'm sick. And, like, I can't sleep. Oh my god, this light is so freaking bright. You need to bear with me. Okay. So, I just drank how much I drank of Buckley's. And I just took some Tylenol because my head freaking hurts. Because I'm sick. And I look like shit. Because I'm sick. And I have like 500 million chins. And I look like a fat ass. Because I'm sick. Ow, I just banged my head. My nose is plugged. And I can't breathe and I don't know what to do with myself right now. It feels like I'm making like a blog. Or something, like the way I'm talking, like, why do I keep saying, like, for, like, some paranormal activity, like, where's the ghost? The ghost is gonna come out. I see the ghost. I'm fucked. Yeah, I have, like, cat hair on my tongue. Yeah, see, that's a bad thing about having cats. There's just cat hair everywhere. It's fucking nasty. But yeah, I sound like a frog. And I need to close my eyes for a second because this light is really freaking bright. But I'm sick. That is no joke. People probably think I have some kind of disease or something. I don't know how the frig I got sick. Fuck you to whoever got me sick. Oh man, this is so bad. People are telling me, oh, come chill, da da da. And I keep saying I'm sick. And they won't listen to me. I'm sick. Look at me, like, I'm hot. I feel like I'm gonna die. This is no joke. I'm sick. And there's, like, fish on the ceiling. And I'm gonna go float with them. Hi, fishy. No. You guys probably think I'm fucking crazy. But yes, this is all. I just wanted to tell you guys that I am sick. What if I talk like this? What if I had like a British accent? A British accent? Or something like that. Only because I am sick. I'm freaking kazoozled. Like, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm like overly tired and like high off cough syrup or some shit. But I'm gonna try and get some sleep. We'll see if I end up in school tomorrow. Okay. Good night, Facebook, or whoever the hell is going to see this. Good night, good night, good night. Wait. I'm a freaking idiot. I can't even turn this off.